Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink, and here we're gonna learn how to build a professional guitar solo with only 3 licks, or only 2 licks if you wanna see. It's really easy. I'm gonna show you. This is how it's gonna sound, more or less. Like a 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so you think these were way more than 3 licks, but no, there were only 3 licks, and we built the whole thing around. So let's get started. First of all, you need to have your pentatonic position number 1 and number 2 together. That's all you need. Well, I went up higher, but we don't really need that. Sorry for that. We can skip that one. First 2 pentatonic positions, I'm going to show them quickly. And then we have 3 licks, and then how you variate them, how you resolve them, makes the whole variation of it. But basically I was playing 3 licks, so let's see what that was. We quickly repeat the pentatonic position in A minor here, 5th fret, 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8, and pentatonic position number 2, but we only need the upper part of it, but I play the whole position here. 8, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 8, 10, 8, 10, but we only need the upper part. So, these are the 2 positions. First lick is this one here. This is a lick which literally all blues songs start with. Either you start here on the root note, go here up in the 10th fret, or in this case, I did this one here. But you can also make variations of that. But the main thing is, the thing starts on, in this case, on 4 ends. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. Yeah. Here, 5, 5, slide 8 to 10. So this is the lick. Now, you can either resolve it up or down. How you resolve it? Down, jump in the bending here in the 7th fret, or in the bending up. And there you can make your own variations the way you like them, or the way you feel them. So, but the main thing is the lick starts on 4 end, or if you can play it in 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also start it on 4 if you want. The main thing is this note here, the A in the 10th fret, comes on the 1. So let's see how we can make variations of that one. Oh, somehow this software key commands didn't work now. Okay. So you need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Resolve down. Resolve up. Resolve down. Now comes a trick. If you play those licks or these passages twice, you make a little trick to make it more spicy. The trick is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the 1 of the next bar, I play this bending. Or this one, you can play bending or any note you like. So, to spice it up, the second time you go for it, you play on the 4 end. So 1, 2, 3. This was now on the 4 end, and this second time, first time we do on the 1, second time on the 4 end. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and see how the difference. We play with the track, and this way is really easy to create great professional tension. So let's see, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That wasn't 4 and. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and with this trick you create a lot of tension. Sounds extreme, it sounds cool and professional, but you need to be precise. You need to be able to count during playing that you really hit those notes. So you can either go up or down with this trick. You can either just play one note or play a passage. Also 1, 2, 3, 4. You can continue like whatever or whatever you want, and then you're really cool to go. Let's try that. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So resolve up or down with one lick. It's a really cool trick, and you keep this going on longer, and this gives structure to your solo. But now we need a second lick. Let's do this one here. This one here was a 60-note lick, so you have a bending here, 7th fret, 5, pull off 8, 5. A 60-note fix, so 60 notes are 4 per beat, so taka 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 taka. So now the same thing again. You do this as a repeating lick. You can repeat as long as you want. Resolve it up or down. Really simple. Let's see. Now it starts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Resolve up. So now again, either resolve down or up. You can just play one note or continue playing. Now when you repeat the same thing again, probably sound a little bit boring when you always start on 1. Now comes a trick. Once you start on 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and second time you start make an anticipation. So the first note starts 1 down the last 60 note of the beat 4. You hold it till the second 60 note of the next beat. So this is an anticipation. Comes a little bit earlier, but hold it till the point where the original was. And this gives a really cool effect I'm going to show you. It's really cool. So first we do it on the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the anticipation. On the 1 again. Anticipation. And you can do the same game again. Resolve up, resolve down, the way you want. Also, again with the same tricks as before, make the resolving on the 1 or on the 4 end to have variation on that. Let's add a third lick, and then we're pretty variable, and this sounds really professional. This lick, another 60-note lick, pull off here 8, 5, 8, 5. Make a barre here. So same tricks again, resolve down or up, make anticipations on the resolution, but also on the lick itself. You can also start it on the last 16 note. I'm going to show you. So, straight and plain on the one. Plain on the one. Anticipation. That was the anticipation again. Yeah. So these are the main tricks. Always shifting, doing the anticipations either on the lick itself or on the resolution down or up. Yeah. And with these 3 licks, you sound pretty professional. And just add the tricks. I'll give you a shot on this one here. I play the whole thing with, and you're gonna see it's, now you probably understand what I'm doing. I try to comment while I'm playing, and then you really get what's going on. It's really, of course, it's not totally easy. You need to have the main speed, but it's way easier than you might thought to sound professional. So, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the one. Now anticipation. Oops, now once. More. Next lick. Go to anticipation again on anticipation. Next lick. Yeah, folks, that was a trick, playing only 3 licks and just continuing, resolve up, resolve down, make the anticipation, make variations. You sound professional. That's basically not more needed in most cases of soloing or guitar playing. Well, there's one little trick. This track here, which I'm using, has a tempo which somehow really gives a cool vibe when you keep it easy. That's the main trick here, one of the tricks, but this trick works for any tempo, of course, or for anything. That's the way I often work. Just make simple things, and the great effect if you work with this method is your solo has some kind of a guiding line. You know, it keeps the thing going on, and you still can, at the very end, add your best lick, which has nothing to do with those 3 licks and resolutions, and then you're pretty cool to go. So you're building up a solo. And as I did, I build up slowly, and at the end I just pulling more into extremes, adding more notes, but stay with the same system. Yeah, that's how the whole thing works. It's way more easy than you probably might have thought. Yeah, good. One more to say: if you want to download this backing track and the tabs, go to the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Subscribe there. It's really cool place to be. There's already pretty much people there. So it's really cool to go there. You can follow me on Spotify, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Google, follow me everywhere. And don't forget to visit my guitar nights, which are held once a month. Go on my website, there you find the tour dates in Switzerland. Come there, it's really cool. And also don't miss to buy a t-shirt. Well, it's not this one here, this is from Live Long and Prosper. But also have a t-shirt. If you're a real fan, you need to have a t-shirt. Yeah, me and Dr. Pink. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I just check my stats. and like only 7% of my viewers are subscribers. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, that you get notified when news are coming up, and I'm gonna soon want to start with live broadcasting, so that's gonna be really essential that you have the bell activated. Yeah, me and Dr. Pink are signing off for the moment. We're gonna be back soon.